Hi, happy Valentine's Day. I borrowed a book from the Pima County Public Library. It's called Construction Site, You're Just Right. And it's by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and A.G. Ford. A Valentine Lift the Flat book. Down in the big construction site, the trucks work hard to build things right. But as they rev and work and play, there are surprises on the way. Because hooray! It's Valentine's Day. Excavator digs, then turns around, and whoa! There's something on the ground. You dig and lift and lead the way. You help the team so much each day. Thanks for keeping us in line. Now guess who pushed this Valentine? We found a Valentine. Now we're going to have to find out who put that there. Bulldozer's working hard today, but gasp, there's something in his way. A massive Valentine, he reads. You are just what our team needs. You push and clear from start to end. We're so happy you're our friend. I made this Valentine for you. I dumped it here. It's from, guess who? Cement mixers rolling right in line, and then looks up and sees a sign. It looks like a giant roadside letter. You're the best, there's no one better. When we need concrete, you're the one. And you always make work fun. When we need you, you're in gear. Now, guess who? Put this way up here. On crane trucks, hook. Oh look, a note. He lifts to read what someone wrote. Yes. There's his hook. What's this? Oh, this one goes down. We love that you are strong and tall, and next to you I'm very small. You set things right where they should go. Who made this card now, do you know? Skid steer drills, she lifts and drives, and then a Valentine arrives. A great big card for small skid steer. There it is. Oh, let's see what it says. We're so glad to have you here. You switch attachments, help us through. There's no end to what you can do. You dig and lift like I can too. Can you guess who sent this card to you? I wonder who it is. As they went along their way, each truck got a surprise today from another friend on site that said, "You're special, you're just right, you're important, you are strong, you're a friend, and you belong." There's someone else who's just right too. There's one more member of the crew. They're special, awesome, and it is you. Happy Valentine's Day.